Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show to you how to enable or how to disabling editing on Google Sheet application. So the first thing you have to do is you just need to choose the documents that you want to disabling the editing access, and here is the documents that I would like to show to you. And whenever you already find the documents, go into these three small dots, and after that you just need to go into the manage access, and you just need to check what access that actually you give from this document. You can see here the access that I give on this document is editor, means that people who receive this link could be edit this document. But then since today's tutorial is about how to disabling the editing, so you just need to go click this part, the anyone with link, and you just need to change from the anyone with link to restricted. So people who already received the link of this document will not gonna be able to edit the documents anymore. So the one that able to edit this document is only you, who's the owner of the document. So that's the way how to disabling editing on Google Sheet, guys. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.